Film. That's it. A little bit of setup. Uh-oh. Oh no, you're in it.
We are going to do a sound check right now. We are DracMina. We want to thank Tough Pro Wrestling for having us here. And even though we are vampires, we are singing this song for the werewolves among you. It is called Running with the Wolves. Until I picked up the call of the wild. Here in the shadows, I found my path. Who accept me and I looked him back. A spirit that walks through me green. We're running with the wolves. We're running with the wolves. And you can hear them calling in the night. We're running with the wolves. We're running with the wolves. We only come alive another night. Now we're driven by a hunger and a fire deep inside. Better find a place where you can hide. We're running with the wolves. We're running with the wolves. We only come alive another night. I was an outsider, a grown child, until I picked up the call of the wild. Here in the shadows, I found my pack. Who accept me without looking back? Riding on the monster, any night, any good talk, 'cause you're just like me. A spirit that wants to be free. We're running with the wolves. We're running with the wolves.
Running with the wolves. That is our sound check. We're gonna do one more sound check song. And because we are on a werewolf kick, because we do love our werewolf brethren and sisters, this song is called Just a Moon, because some people think that the moon is a magical, mystical orb in space that controls the tides, the minds, and the moods. And then some people think it's just a rock. I don't happen to agree. But here we are. The song is called Just a Moon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.